Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So the free version of Microsoft Copilot is going to be getting a performance boost. And this is according to a recent post over on X by Microsoft's head of advertising and web services, which means now that you can access the GPT-4 Turbo large language model from OpenAI. Now, the big one with this is that it was only previously available in Microsoft's Copilot Pro version at $20 a month. So the large language model, GPT-4 Turbo, is now available, according to Microsoft, in the free version, which most use, of Copilot. Now, this was announced over on X recently with Mikhail Parekhin from Microsoft saying, after quite some work, GPT-4 Turbo replaced GPT-4 in the Copilot free tier. So he says after quite some work. So obviously there was a bit of an issue there, but now eventually rolling out. He also mentions, though, something to take note of: if you are a pro user of Copilot, you can still choose the older model if you prefer. There is a toggle, but that's only in Copilot Pro to roll back to the older version. And at this stage, it is available at all times, according to this post over on X. So it's not limited to certain responses or chat limits or anything like that. It's available at all times. But just take note, though, that this new large language model in the free version is only available in more precise a conversation style and more creative. It's not available in more balanced, which I think is the norm across the board. So just take note of that. So there you have it. If you are using the free version of Copilot, which I know some of you are, you can now use the GPT-4 Turbo large language model from OpenAI, which is now completely free in Copilot. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.